GRT continues to brace itself for a massive breakout in the next coming hours, and all this is playing out after we continued to hold above a significant key area of support above the 0.02118, and on holding this key area of support, I'm expecting to see a break above the 20-day MA on the 1-hour chart, flipping it back into support. And once that plays out, we need to also take out these significant highs and break above the next key area of resistance above the 0.02325, and a break above that key area of resistance with a successful retest. Then the graph is poised for higher prices back above the 0.25. And on this video I will be discussing what I'm expecting on the short term and also give you my long-term price prediction analysis, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video on the 1-hour chart, I want to give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can easily see that on the 18th of June we saw this massive breakdown move giving us a low below the 0.1888. And after getting that significant low, we have been chopping around this area over here. And since the graph is now holding support above the 0.02118, there are high chances that in the next coming hours, we are going to continue seeing higher prices, break above these significant highs, and get to the next key area of resistance above the 0.02325. And the moment we manage to break above that with a retest, flipping that resistance back into support, then the 0.25 is my next target area. We also need to have in mind that we can see that explosive move to the next key area of resistance at the 0.02325, but we can get rejected at that key area of resistance. And if that is the case, then I will be watching for a pullback back into support on the 0.02118, and as long as this is holding, I'm still expecting higher prices. And on the worst case scenario, in case we see a break to the lower side of support on the 0.2118, then we can start watching out for lower prices to give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 24th of June and also on the 18th of June. So that is what I'm expecting and also watching out for on the short term here on the graph on the GRT chart. And jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures and the Fibonacci's. You can all see that last year in June we saw the bear market lows below the 0.0762, and after getting that significant low we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, giving us a high above the 0.4947 in a move that I'm terming as an Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows that we made, that is the bear market lows, to the high above the 0.4947, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 as the maximum point for that retracement, which is an area that we have continued to hold and almost fully maximized, which means that we either have a low in place for that second wave, and in the next coming days or maybe months, we are going to see a very nice reaction to the upside in an explosive move in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a pullback in a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upside, giving us new all-time highs here on the GRT chart. And on the worst case scenario, in case we see a breakdown move and break out of this blue target area to the lower side, losing significant key areas of support, there are high chances that GRT is going to give us new bear market lows or maybe give us a reset of the bear market low. That is another thing that we need to have in consideration, that we need to put into consideration. And that is what I'm expecting here on the GRT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.